List of 10 best types of push-ups exercise for women. Push-ups are great for strengthening and toning the shoulders, chest, and arms. But, in general, women have lesser upper body strength than men. However, don't think this exercise is not meant for them, as the benefits of push-ups for women are many. With just the right practice and attitude, women can perform push-ups just as easily. Push-ups can also support the abs and the muscles of the mid and lower back. They are great for improving your posture and strengthening your core with no need for equipment. You may start with the easier version and gradually move on to advanced levels of push-ups. In addition, performing them the right way by learning the proper technique can reduce the risk of injuries. This article explores the 10 best push-up exercises for women and their benefits. Keep reading.